So guys, let's make a new project. Tab on bottom left corner, select the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one, select the green tick. Now we are inside our main project. To apply snowfall effect, go to effect, again effect, look for weather, and here we have several options like rain, drip, snow. Also, if we move forward, there is one more snowfall effect. After our effect selection is done, we can control the effect intensity by moving this slider. Now give the effect layer same length as the video clip and we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.